Ever wondered why Python is so popular? Why is it at the tip of every techie's tongue? Well, Python is not just a snake anymore. It's a high-level, interpreted programming language that's been taking the coding world by storm. It's celebrated for its readability and its syntax, which is a breath of fresh air for those who have tangled with more complex languages. It's like English, but for computers. Python is a jack of all trades, used across industries far and wide. From web development to data analysis, from AI to machine learning, Python is everywhere. It's the backbone of many popular platforms you use daily. Ever heard of Google or interacted with a chatbot like ChatGPT? Python, my friends, is their common language. This programming language is no fleeting trend. Its rising popularity and diverse applications suggest that Python is here to stay. But what makes Python stand out from other major programming languages? Let's delve into that. To understand Python's popularity, one must compare it with other major programming languages like Java and C++. Let's dive in. Imagine programming as a language. Now, if Java and C++ are like Latin and Greek, complex and intricate, then Python is like English, simple and straightforward. Python's syntax is very user-friendly, making it less complex to use than Java and C++. Its simplicity does not compromise its power though. Python is still robust enough to handle a wide range of tasks, from data analysis to web development and machine learning. So what about Java and C++? Well, these languages have their strengths. Java is platform independent and has been a staple in enterprise environments for decades. C++ is known for its speed and control over system resources, making it ideal for game development and system-level programming. However, despite these strengths, these languages have a steeper learning curve compared to Python. The syntax of Java and C++ can be quite complex, especially for beginners. This complexity often leads to longer development times and more room for errors, which can be discouraging for new programmers. On the other hand, Python's clean syntax and easy readability make it a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned developers. It allows for faster development and debugging, enabling teams to bring products to market more quickly. Now let's talk about popularity. While Java and C++ have been around longer and have a solid user base, Python has been gaining more recognition in recent years. According to the TOB Index, an indicator of the popularity of programming languages, Python has been steadily climbing the ranks, even surpassing Java in 2023. Why is this happening? One reason could be Python's simplicity and efficiency. It's not just about writing code, it's about writing readable, maintainable code, and Python excels in that. So we see that Python, with its simple syntax and high usability, has an edge over Java and C++. It's not just a language for beginners, it's a powerful tool that can help solve complex problems, making it a worthy addition to any developer's toolkit. Now that we understand Python's advantages over other languages, the question arises, why should you learn Python? Well, Python's potential is as vast as the digital universe itself. It's not just about the here and now, it's about the future. Python is a language that's predicted to play a pivotal role in emerging tech fields like artificial intelligence and machine learning. The simplicity, flexibility, and power of Python make it a preferred language for these cutting-edge technologies. In the competitive job market, Python skills are in high demand. Companies, big and small, are on the lookout for Python-savvy individuals to drive their innovation and success. Major players like Google, ChatGPT, and NVIDIA have Python deeply ingrained in their tech stacks, using it to build powerful applications and services that are changing the world as we know it. Python's potential is vast, and its impact in the tech world is undeniable. So, are you ready to embark on your Python journey? The road may seem daunting at first, but remember, every great coder once grappled with the basics. Python, with its clean syntax and community support, is an ideal companion for this journey. The internet is a treasure trove of resources to help you master Python. From free online tutorials to comprehensive courses, there's a learning path tailored for everyone. Learning Python not only opens up a world of opportunities in the tech industry, but also equips you with a versatile skill set. Python's applicability isn't confined to a single domain. From web development and data science to artificial intelligence, Python is the language of choice. It's the key to comprehend and contribute to cutting-edge technologies. Remember, every coding journey begins with a single line of code. Make yours with Python.